You alright, mate?
Yeah.
Do you think you should be on your phone whilst driving?
Am I driving?
Yes.
Where am I driving, mate? I'm sat dormant on the fucking road.
And you still at 6 points?
I'll get off the phone, mate.
Much better, mate.
Am I driving?
There's still 6 points.
I don't care if you've got a camera. Am I driving?
Yes, you're in charge of a vehicle.
Seatbelt on and I'm sat dormant.
6 points, £200 fine. Look for yourself on YouTube, okay? Look for yourself on YouTube. Bravo Delta 63, Bravo Foxtrot Kilo. Naughty little fella. Am I driving? And of course we know for a fact that he was on the phone driving up in the queue, and he would have been still on the phone if the pressure of the camera hadn't made him hang up. Scumbag.